So as you're using computers running on Windows, you must first turn on your number lock. So we are now turn on number lock. Number lock is enabled. Now you can see the Alt key on the left side of the spacebar. You must press this Alt key. Do not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 8253. Okay, after tapping 8253, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you must either open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint and try this. You can see that this symbol have been arrived in your computer. So this symbol have been arrived. So you can see that this is a combination of a question mark and an exclamation mark. So if you want to create this Interrobang symbol, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt8253. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.